WebPano, navigation. Firstly, the user must register and log in to the WebPano service. Then, in the first tab on the left, select your site. The floor plan 0 and the model are loaded. If the model is large, this can take a while. The loading of the model can be paused, and the panel can be collapsed into a corner. In the top right corner are the user settings. You can modify some data or change the password. Under the question mark icon, all video instructions are located. Okay, back to floor plans. In the vertical tool panel on the left, open the Floor Plans tab. You can toggle the visibility of the floors by clicking on the level name. We can zoom in and out using the mouse wheel. Hovering the cursor over the red pin displays the scan number. Clicking brings up the scan. If we are in a scan, we can see the position of other scans represented by red balls. Clicking on the ball brings up the next scan. In the corner of the screen is a zoomable map of the level we are on. This means that you don't have to go back to the floor plans and can easily orient yourself in the space. The yellow cone indicates the angle and direction of view. Under the first button in the vertical bar are the scan options. Here we can globally control the size of the scan markers. The drawing range is the range of visibility of the markers. Reducing the distance means that markers further away will not be visible. We can also walk between scans using specific scan numbers. Enter the number in the search field, confirm with enter, and you are in the scan with that specific number. We now go to the toolbar on the right. Under the first button, we have the display options. When we are in a scan, there is the pin icon at the top. When we change to orbit, we go to 3D space. Now using the keyboard shortcut M&M, we enable the 3D model. Using the left mouse button, we can rotate it. Pressing and holding the mouse wheel causes panning. Another option is walking or free camera controls. In this mode, you move as in the game, forward, backward, sideways, and up and down. The usual WSD and RD buttons work here. The last option is just panning. A list of all keyboard shortcuts is available under the Shortcuts button. The keyboard shortcut for toggle panorama visibility is OO. The model visibility is M&M. Point cloud visibility is PP. The second drop-down, or rather side-scrolling button in the bar on the right, is responsible for the panorama display modes. Here we have RGB mode, black and white mode, and normals mode. Then we have a button to disable or enable the visibility of the point cloud. Another is the visibility of the model. The last button is the grid display.